Waltara and dito yung manager. So we will interview him and ask a few questions about their customer service. So sir, ako nga pala si Miguel na. So yun, bigyan natin siya ng ilang questions. Ako yung matigyan about sa restaurant natin. So currently siya yung manager natin. So tara, pasok tayo. Questions to Sir Jim here about their restaurant, about their customer service and how they handle. But before that, to start, can you give us a brief overview of the business, kailan yung nagsimula, and what inspired the concept of this restaurant?
Alright, so again, I've been well, guys. It started in 2025. Ako sa ilang restaurant lang. Tapos, gusto namin talagang yung mga pagkain na dinulikman ng mga tao dito sa Manila. From Manila to Manila. Ayun, nagsimula siya na ang burgers lang. Tapos ngayon na tayo sa details na nandang ng customer natin. And now na dining dates na tayo.
So, proceed to the next question. So, who would you say is your primary target customer here in the city? So, tingin siya, yung talagang target mo pagdating sa high-class people or
actually, pang nasa ay good ingredients na mga sa Manila. Tapos pinangalan lang namin yung pricing para ma-afford din yung mga tao para namin ipangmalisa ka. And ayun pa na naman pang kain
so, yun sir, paano question lang yung parang may offer niya sa mga customer yung sinaserve dito sa restaurant para lang na example lang ng food
smash burger. Yung parang na originate sa smash burger talaga. And yung nakama-offer namin is good dining experience, good food, malakami na.
so since you operate so many city so syempre ngayon lang wala naman po kayong branches diba so how does that affect your relationship with your customers so paano siya nakaka-affect sa relasyon niyo sa customers kung nag-iisa lang kayong presto kung wala kayo paano na-affectuhan yung relationship niyo sa customers
totoo nga mas nalagay papayaman ng mga customer kasi di ba na wala pa sa nangyari para tikman yung mga nakakamahan dito hindi ba naman talagang bumabalik kahit na ito kasi naman di ba sagsahin tayo di ba deliver truck yun para naman manila yung hinahan kasi natin mo
Grabe sa mga burger na tayo mga skin. So, proceed to the next question. What is your main strategy when it comes to providing customer service? So, yun, for example, may nagpagay ng customer. So, paano nyo binibigay yung tulad na nasabi na yung dining experience? Paano nyo, binibigay, pinang-provide sa isang customer service na dessert?
pasok ko lang ako sa Manila na napakita mo na welcoming yung mga tao sa Pilipinas. And sila po order, tapos hindi mo natin tapos na lang mga always check your customer. Kakain na lang sila. Kailangan naman alam na agad sa kamay. Tatanong ko din kung kailangan sila o kailangan.
So, proceed to the next question, Sir Ingrid. So, how do you train your staff to handle customers or complaints about food? So, the last question. So, how do you gather feedback from your clients? So, yun, tulad yun, pag kumain, paano nyo nalaman kung mag-quality quality na service or yun, paano na namukuha ng feedback?
Actually, pagdatas ng customer naman, nalagay ka lang sa naman, after cooking, diba? Set the standard mo rin. So far naman, naman maganda yung mga feedback ng customer natin. Kasi nagawa natin ang mga yung pagmamahal ko pa, doon mo malalaman kung maayos din ba yun.
So, yun sir, last question na lang po. So, what is one thing you want customers to remember after the year? So, ano lang yung one thing na gusto mo itatak sa utak nila o ipakakal sa puso nila na pag-ubas ka na yung sa nyo, ano yung gusto mo makalala nila?
Yung food talaga. At naman halos food pa. And dagdag ko na din yung ano din, yung hindi na ang customer yung gano'n natin ang kayo trabaho natin na hindi lang basta trabaho, hindi na siyempre, dapat talaga yung trabaho, may pagmamahal.
So, hindi na natin yung interview with Sir Jim Brent at sobrang bait ito sa From Dubai. Thank you sir. Susunod ko ulit kaya hindi ka pilit.
Good day everyone, I am Kyle Angeles and today I will be presenting the analysis and findings from our interview with a local restaurant business regarding their customer service strategies and operations. So based on the interview, we discovered that the restaurant strongly focuses on relationship marketing and personalized service. Even though the interview did not directly answer every question in detail, their responses consistently show the importance of separating a welcoming and family-oriented dining experience for customers. From the interview, we learned that the restaurant values strong customer relationship and community connection. Since it's only a single branch business, they are able to interact more personally with customer compared to larger food chains. The restaurant creates a home-style atmosphere by remembering regular customers, adjusting services based on community preference, and maintaining a friendly environment through casual and comfortable communication styles. They also prioritize proactive customer service by checking on diners early, responding quickly to concerns, and ensuring the customers feel welcome through their dining experience. In conclusion, the interview revealed that the restaurant's success is not only based on the quality of its food, but also on the personalized and warm experience they provide to customers. Their strong relationship with the local community gives them a competitive advantage that the larger restaurant chains may struggle to replicate. Overall, their customer-centered approach plays a major role in maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. Based on the analysis, that restaurant's vision can be described as becoming the heart of the city's dining scene, where every meal helps build stronger community connections. Their mission focuses on providing high-quality meals while delivering genuine, warm hospitality and efficient customer service to every diner. The restaurant also demonstrates several important core values. First is hospitality or malasakit, where customers are treated like family members rather than just guests. Second is consistency, ensuring that every meal served maintains the same quality through the day. Third is local pride, which is reflected in their support for local flavors and ingredients. Another value is responsiveness, shown through their quick action toward customer concerns and feedback. Lastly, they value integrity by being honest in food operations, pricing, and customer interactions. 5 service standards. During the analysis, we also identified several services standards followed by the restaurant. The first is the 60-second greeting where every customer should be acknowledged shortly after entering the establishment. The second is the 3-bite check where staff members ask customer about their satisfaction after the food has been served. Third is table readiness, ensuring that tables are clean and prepared quickly for the next customers. The fourth standard is the language of care, where friendly and localized communication helps customer feel more comfortable. Finally, they follow recovery protocol where immediate solutions or complementary items may be offered whenever mistakes happen. Although the restaurant already has strong customer services practice, there are still areas for improvement. One recommendation is implementing a simple digital loyalty program to reward frequent diners with discounts or special offers. This can help strengthen customer retention and encourage repeat visits. Another suggestion is improving their online engagement through social media, promotions, and customer interaction. To stand out from competitors, the restaurant should focus more on storytelling and highlighting its identity as a local business. They can share stories about their suppliers' signature dishes or the history behind the restaurant itself. This creates emotional connection with the customers and helps establish a stronger brand image the large fast food chains may not easily achieve. Once again, I am Kyle Angeles, and that concludes our report regarding the customer service strategies and operational analysis of the restaurant business.